Today I'm going to do my presentation on scientific racism, myth or truth. The main focus of my study was scientific racism, which is the belief that one or more is more superior than another due to their race or ethnicity. The reason I want to research this topic is because I am always entertained by those who tend to believe that they are better than another person. People tend to think that they can judge everyone by one person or a few people's actions. My research question was, do you believe that scientific racism explains to us a legitimate explanation of our society? When deciding to do this topic, I wanted my research to have few limitations. I wanted people to know and understand that they would not be judged because of how they feel or what they know of others when it comes to scientific racism. I wanted them to tell me exactly how it is with no gray areas. With this being the case, I understand the point of view from others on this topic. What I would think was best about understanding the different views was that I was able to get people from different types of places and backgrounds to express their thoughts. In my first section was my literature view, where I used 7 different articles that talked about various different types of scientific racism. The second part of my research paper was the methods section, where I did an interview method. And in that section, I talked about the 15 interviews that I did and the 6 interviews that I took out and actually used. I used questions for, I asked 3 questions, but I mainly focused on the one question, which was about scientific racism. The third section of my paper was the results section, where I found that many people from different areas and different parts of the country believe different things about scientific racism. And lastly, I had the final thought of my paper, where it talked about everyone being from one country, from one place. And at the bottom of those pictures, it explains that all men came from one part of the world and migrated to different parts throughout history. This theory says that we have all evolved from one race. Through this evolution, all people would have to have had the same genetic build because we came from the same place or thing from the beginning. So if this theory has any truth at all, then it would be logical to believe that no one person is more superior to another. It says that our individual habits and behavior can be from the result of scientific racism.